Good morning, South Africa. Today we celebrate Youth Day. A day that reminds us of the courage, determination and sacrifice of the young people who helped shape the future of our country. The youth of 1976 faced challenges that many of us can hardly imagine. Yet despite those challenges, they stood up, they spoke up, and they changed the history of this country forever. Today, 50 years later, the responsibility of shaping South Africa's future belongs to a new generation. Belongs to you. Let's be honest. Many young South Africans face enormous challenges. Unemployment, limited opportunities, financial pressure, and uncertainty about the future. Every day, young people are told what they cannot do. You cannot start a business. You cannot create wealth. You cannot compete. You cannot succeed. But history tells us a completely different story. The people who change the world are often the people who refuse to accept those limitations. Your circumstances do not determine your future. Your starting point does not determine your destination. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs in South Africa started with almost nothing. No wealthy families, no investors, no special advantages. Just a dream, a willingness to learn, and the courage to take action. Every successful business began with just one decision. The decision to start. At QuintPay, we work with entrepreneurs across South Africa every day. We see ordinary people building extraordinary businesses. People who started small, people who started from home, people who started with very little capital. Today, many of them employ staff, support families, serve their communities, and create opportunities for others. Entrepreneurship is not just about making money. It's about creating value. It is about solving problems. It's about building something bigger than yourself. One of the industries that continues to create opportunities across South Africa is the microfinance industry. Responsible lending plays an important role in our economy. It helps people overcome short-term financial challenges. It helps small businesses access funding. It creates jobs, and it provides essential financial services to communities throughout our beautiful country. Many successful lenders started with simple offices, a small amount of capital, and a commitment to helping people responsibly. Today, they operate thriving businesses that make a real difference. So today, on Youth Day, I want to challenge every young person watching this video. Invest in yourself. Learn new skills. Read more books. And attend training. Find a mentor. Take responsibility for your future. Stop waiting for opportunities to arrive. Start creating them. The world belongs to those who are prepared to work for it. You are more capable than what you think. You are more powerful than you realize. And your future is far brighter than you may believe. The youth of 1976 gave us hope. Now it is our turn to build on their legacy. Dream bigger, work harder, stay focused, never stop learning, and never stop believing in what is possible. From all of us at QuintPay, we wish you a meaningful and inspiring Youth Day. The future of South Africa is not ahead of us. The future of South Africa is sitting in our classrooms, working in our communities, starting businesses, and watching this video today. Happy Youth Day, South Africa. And remember, your future starts with the decision you make today.